Can I fix the heat regulator burner switch of electric range? So the burners stay on no matter what setting, low or high. I opened and found the switch's heat regulator were the problem. The metal contact of the green board is broken because it's too thin. Thus, no connection between 1 and 2. The electric range could not turn off the burner when it reached the desired temperature. A. The metal contact at 1 is sharp. I wonder if I can bend the tip to make better contact. B. At 2, I'm thinking about putting some solder there. Will these fixes cause potential problems? I don't want to buy a new switch because it will definitely fail in the same manner. I don't know why engineer designed it this way. If this is the case, I blame sale management. Question from user Alt at Stack Exchange. Answer. Okay, what you're suggesting will probably work. I have similar repairs on off switches, but the contact at 1 looks like a limiting device to break the circuit in an overheat situation. I wouldn't be messing with that. The problem as I see it is the burners wouldn't turn off. So if your fix doesn't work, the problem will return when you least expect it. Is it worth it? How old at the range? I'd be, and have done many times, buying a new switch. Many times the internal designs of these switches are improved and you'd never know it by the outside appearance, so the existing problem you have might never occur again. My advice is to think twice about messing with range oven switches. Good luck. Answer from user Jack at Stack Exchange.